The cylinder sill is part of the head valve assembly in your framing nailer. It seals the head valve to the cylinder. Over time, the sill can harden and crack or disintegrate. When this occurs, you will often have air leaking out of the exhaust. Replacing the cylinder sill is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the head from the nail gun. It's secured with 4 bolts. With the head removed, I have access to the cylinder seal. I'll just stamp the old one off and install the new one. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the head. I'll apply a little bit of new Loctite to each of the screws. And that's how simple it is to install a new cylinder sill in your nail gun.